Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this tutorial you learn how to use WordPress in your local computer. At first, open your browser, here search XAMPP, then download this XAMPP software. Then search WordPress download. Then download this WordPress software. When complete download, then run XAMPP. And install your XAMPP. Install XAMPP. If you want to install your XAMPP software in your C folder, or you can create new folder, here you can install it. Now I want to create new folder as the same name, XAMPP. Then press OK. Now installing it. Already finished XAMPP. Software is already finished XAMPP software installation. Now start Apache server and MySQL. Now type localhost in your browser. Already my XAMPP server running. Now click phpMyAdmin. Here create your new database for your WordPress. My database name, my test database. You can create your any name. Now open your WordPress zip file, and this zip file cut to your XAMPP folder htdoc file. Here this folder name is htdoc. Open it. Here paste your WordPress file. Now unzip it. this file name WordPress. When you search your localhost, you need to search WordPress. If you want to change your file name WordPress to another, you need to must add localhost / this name. So my folder name is WordPress. Now I search localhost / WordPress. Here already showing WordPress. Select my language and continue. Let's go. Here type my database name, username, root. My database have no password, so then click submit, then click run the installation. Type your site name, username, password, email, and install your WordPress. Now log in your WordPress. This is username and password. Now log in. Already WordPress installation complete. You can use this in your local server. If you like this video, please thumbs up. See you on the next video. Thank you.